Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys how to make a vitamin C serum easily at home. So vitamin C serum is a must-have product in your skincare routine. You should definitely use vitamin C serum in your skincare. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which helps keep your skin looking younger and elastic. Vitamin C has many skin benefits and it can treat your skin pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars, and can remove suntan from your skin very easily. This serum reduces fine lines and wrinkles and also brightens your skin tone. Vitamin C has an incredible skin brightening and skin lightening properties into it. So it brightens your skin tone and improves your skin texture. This serum will also reduce your sun damage. So if you got any suntan on your skin, then this serum will completely remove your suntan, as well as it will minimize your pores, help you in clearing out your skin, and in removing all those acne scars, acne marks, dark spots, pigmentation or hyperpigmentation from your skin. This serum is best for collagen production. It will delay early signs of aging and will give you really younger and brighter looking skin. Vitamin C also reduces inflammation, so if you have any redness onto your skin, then this serum will help you treat that. It will also treat roughness and dryness and will improve your skin complexion by treating uneven skin tone. So this serum is a very good serum for treating all kinds of skin problem. So now without further ado, let's see how to prepare this homemade vitamin C serum. So to prepare this vitamin C serum, you firstly gonna need orange peel powder. Orange peel powder is fully loaded with vitamin C. So here I'm taking approx half a teaspoon of orange peel powder into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need rose water, and here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. Now after adding the rose water, now I'm just going to mix both these ingredients really well so that they mix with each other well and makes a smooth paste. Next up, you're gonna need lemon juice, and here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of lemon juice into it. After that, you're going to need glycerin, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. After adding the glycerin, now the next ingredient which you need is vitamin E oil, and if you don't have this oil, then you can also use the vitamin E capsules which are easily available in the market. And here I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil into it. Now after adding the vitamin E oil, now I'm just going to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all combine with each other well and makes a smooth paste. Now after mixing everything really well, your homemade vitamin C serum is ready. This serum should be of runny consistency as I'm showing you in the video, and it should be so much smooth, lump free and supremely glossy as you can see in the video. So now this vitamin C serum is fully loaded with anti-aging properties, skin lightening properties, skin brightening properties, and is perfect to remove the dark spots, pigmentation and the skin inflammation from your skin. Vitamin C has an incredible skin brightening and skin lightening properties into it. So it brightens your skin tone and improves your skin texture. So now let me tell you how to store this serum, and to store this serum is supremely easy. So to store this serum, you can use any airtight container, and here I'm just transferring this serum into this small glass dropper, and you can use any airtight container to store this serum. And you can keep this serum in refrigerator for up to 10 to 15 days. Vitamin C has an incredible skin brightening and skin lightening properties into it. So it brightens your skin tone and improves your skin texture. This serum will also reduce your sun damage. So if you got any suntan on your skin, then this serum will completely remove your suntan, as well as it will minimize your pores, help you in clearing out your skin, and in removing all those acne scars, acne marks, dark spots, pigmentation or hyperpigmentation from your skin. And now let me tell you how to use this face serum for best results. So you just have to apply a few drops of this serum all over your face and neck. Just gently massage it onto your skin and pat it down into your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this serum and gives you deep nourishment and best results. And after patting it down into your skin, you just have to leave it overnight, and for the best results you have to use this serum every night before going to bed. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.